Can we have kills flies? Does I like that? Oh, this is another one. This is Zivo, hon. Honey, about this one in the commercial Zivo.
No, I have a big, I have this big of this size of a thing. If
Oh.
you want to spray bugs.
Yeah, can you spray? Okay. Yeah, I want to spray bugs. Oh, wasp. Do we need the wasp thingy? Trap stick.
I don't like that.
Oh, for tomcat. Raid. Hi, hi.
No, we
No. We'd stop for loans. Okay.
I gotta get over by the swing set.
Oh, yeah, we know. Yeah, take your time. I like that insect killer. Do we need that one? Torch? Oh, that's a butterfly.
Just wanna put down your shirt.
That's a butterfly pants.
Do
Nice.
you like pajamas? Do you wanna?
Stop. We don't want that.
You're in the store. Do you wanna don't touch my hand because they're crusty with your earwax on it.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta be over here.
Let's go here. Oh, look at that cute dog.
What is Hey Jolene. What?
Oh, look at this one. Maybe Daddy will make a yummy steak here. I thought Daddy's gonna make us burger. Gazebo.
Today he's making hot dogs or like hash browns.
Oi. Okay, sit now. You have a nice gazebo. Jelana, there's other chair for you. Oh, I like that chair with the window. I think this is what we need. Come here, Jolene. When we go, we should tell this dad. This one. What do you think? That's a good one.
Better than my mini fridge.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Out of my seat.
That's Dad. We should get this one. Yeah. Well, as that Julian, you need to. Why you keep on putting your pants up? That's a good idea. Yeah, Jelana, look at Mom. Yeah, we should buy a one like that. We'll tell Daddy. No, we have to ask Dad though. Because that one with... okay, let's go. No, we'll wait. Come here. Okay, let's go buy this one. Oh, yeah, we need this one. What you guys buying? This is a good... That's a good one with the... she want to show you. When it's raining. Do we need this one? We have lots of bugs in the house. I know, I like the rug. What do you think on that one? Have Daddy try it, Jelana? Can Daddy try it? I know. Oh, okay, yeah, that's true. I like that. Oh, that's a nice rug. Oh, see, look at that. That's a nice rug.
Where?
Oh, wow, Dad. You have it in camera. Wow, Julene found you.
Now go cry to your
Oh, look, she's stuck.
No, they're not.